Alright, y'all, this is my delivery guy. He said I can get him, so y'all better give him respect. What's your name? My baby said he cute. I said, go get your little bad stuff back. She bad. But she get him a car, y'all. These are my packages. And don't be hating. And don't be trying to highlight my delivery guy.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guy.
Because I'm through the net right here. Look, nigga, I always want a feature. Period. Ain't got no money. But not the mail truck, but these are my packages I've been waiting on since yesterday. They supposed to came at 9 o'clock, so I've been waiting, baby. I've been stalking Amazon stalking me. I've been stalking UPS. Service. And they finally here, so that's my delivery guy, baby. Y'all finna get it, period. Hold on. Baby, because he got up. I said, wait a minute. Is that? I hear a crate. Do I hear a door? Those are packages, y'all. I can't hear from because y'all know my condition and all. But, oh! You got his card and everything. I need to get him some because he been working hard. I thought it was, I thought I was done, and he just said, "Oh, you got plenty more stuff." So, yeah, he said, "Oh, you got plenty more." I was like, "Wait, what?" So the one they took all the time because they was like,
"You got a truck full of stuff."
Yeah.
Nobody.
All this $1,000 worth of stuff.
All of this stuff on the truck is yours. Nobody else's.
Oh, you got plenty more stuff. Y'all gotta excuse me because I'm doing my nails and stuff again. But y'all, I thought he was playing because he came in. He was like, "We got more stuff." He's like, "No, we got more stuff." And I'm like, "What in God's name?"
Oh yeah, he was definitely. Wow, that was cool. You ready for this?
It's a whole video by itself. Y'all know Sip Tips do it. Yeah, that's what I'm just checking that. Yeah. Making sure because I had cash on me. Then like the children keep asking shit. I didn't know if everything was gonna be done like this. Oh my god. Look at it. Oh my god. Girl, I know you like, what in the hell is going on? I teach homeschool, that's why. Let me see if I got a tip real quick. I can cash. Oh, let's see what's up in here. So, this is what we have. That's what's in this box. Let's see. Ah! Great video maker. Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's right. Okay. Ooh, it's just when you hit it. So this looks like this a tripod right there. This is what? This is camera equipment. So we got to see what it is. Let's see. Hold it right there for me, come on. And whatever this is. She is fancy because she is in the velvet, the crush. Oh, come on, Kim. Hold on, because the girls want to know what's up in here. Hold on. The girls can't get her out. Hold on. Okay, so I know what this is. It looks like, oh God, why would they do this like this and then you can't loosen it?
If you pull the string, it's gonna tighten it back up.
But why the hell would they put it so tight? Oh, okay. There we go. So these is my panel lights. Oh my God, how do you? Not me already. Hold on. Ooh! Not a dream come true. Oh my God. I can't wait to use these. I might go live today. This is inspiration.
Yes, we got to.
Look at all this stuff. I don't know what. We finna figure the fuck out. What you say, sister?
The lightning, the brightness. I learned it from,
sister. All I know is on and off.
Oh my Lord.
No,
let's get the details.
Yes, let's get it. Alright, so this is our net box, and it's gonna be the only thing I'm opening right now because I am exhausted. Well, on camera, off camera, this will be another day. But listen, girl. Alright, so this is our net box, and it's gonna be the only thing I'm opening right now because I am exhausted. Well, on camera, off camera, this will be another day. But listen, girl. Listen. This is more camera equipment. These are my photography umbrellas to retract the light. Because look, I'm going to build the studio in here. Got me open. Who says bad look to open umbrella in home? Who said that lie? Don't at a photo shoot. It's an umbrella right there on the floor. Yeah. Period. Oh, that look good. Let's see what this is. I'm not opening up all of them because they look like they're the same. But we just want to see. I'm not trying to break the nail too early. Oh! My lights. What to do with this stuff, y'all? It's gonna take me a minute to see what this stuff go to, because I don't know what this stuff go to. I need a camera guy, man. And this is look like the bulb, and you look like something like that. Well, let me just make this aesthetically pleasing and just demonstrate, even though I don't know what I'm doing. Like I said, all I know is on and off. But it looks like we do this. Let me be careful like that. And you know what I'm saying? And then you plug that in the socket, and it, boy, talking about a light bill? Period. Let me go ahead and pay this light bill up real quick. Hold on, pause there. Let me pay this light bill. Catch the anything, you know, the COVID. Like, I was really blessing the food. And then all the while, our food had came from Carsford Road in Prattville. Not us. Learning how to pray. And go, we had a fine damn DoorDash. Go, he was very old and fine. Boy, if I was like 5 years old. Doing the testing because I got my lights up now. So yeah, y'all see my stuff behind me, not my background, not Portrait Innovations, Kim Innovations, period. So testing 1 2 3. I am getting ready to film a new shopping haul, so y'all instantly about to see me go from this to so hi. That concludes this video, you guys. Thanks for watching. Please excuse my mess, y'all. These are my lights and my setups. As you can see, I hung my bags up there. They're so pretty hanging up there. This is just, we're just getting started. I might not use this backdrop permanently, but we have the lights and setups. Y'all can see I'm still organized, so that's my take. And this is the final result of the GVM studio video lighting. Isn't that beautiful? I'm gonna post a photo or two and let y'all see how it turned out. So that's the backdrop.